So we are at a beautiful place, and let's see what things we can find up here. Seems to be a waterfall. Here it is. Small waterfall. Wonderful place to be. So guys, these are the beautiful cottages, and we could stay here. I'd like to share one more thing. So this is their kitchen. We had breakfast over here this morning. It's a beautiful place. We are in Kerala. These are the cottages. So the name of this place is Rain Country Resort. It's in Kerala. It's a very new property, and you can find the rates for this property at different websites. So basically it's kind of a cottage style, and we are here with a family and some group of another people. Yeah, I love the place actually. It's very peaceful. Well, what I say is you need to stay at this place for at least 3 or 4 days. The road to this is very risky, but once you reach the destination, it's awesome. So here we got another cottage. If you are coming here with a number of people, you can always buy a full cottage, which consists of almost 3 people in a room, and also consists of 4 to 5 cottages at one place. So if you're coming with a group, again, this destination is beautiful. Look at the waterfall. It's so crystal clear, and rains at this place is awesome. Last night when we reached, we had a heavy rainfall. It was very difficult to climb at this place because it's 13 to 14 kilometers from the main road. see. So hi, this is your friend Brijraj, and signing off. Let's see about the next destination. Stay tuned to my YouTube channel. It's Brijraj4.